Hey guys, so if you want to add a clickable image with links on Wix, here's what you're going to do. So the first thing is to go to manage.wix.com so you can go to your website dashboard. From here, just choose among all of the sites that you have, click on Edit Site or Select Site. It will then take you to the Wix website editor. Now from here, just find a place where you want to add the clickable image with link. So what you're going to do after you found a place where you want to place it, you click on this add elements right here at the left. Now from this, just click on image and then just hit on upload and import. And then from here, just click on upload images. It will then take you to this page where you can upload media. Now, if you already have an existing media file that you have uploaded in Wix, you can also just click on choose media files that you have uploaded in this website. Now, choose any picture or any photo that you want, and then just hit on add to page, which once you have chosen. As you can see, it has been added to our page. Let's just resize this one so it can fit where we want to place it. It's going to put it right over here. I know it doesn't make sense how it looks like, but since I'm only going to teach you how you can make this image clickable, I think that will be fine for now. And then after that, just click on this image that we have placed right here, and then click on this link icon. It looks like chains. Now, just choose what you want to link this to. You can choose a page, you can choose a web address, a section or anchor. You can also link it to top of or bottom of the page, which means that when you click on this image, it's going to take you to the top or the bottommost of the page. You can also link this to a document, an email, a phone number, or a lightbox. A lightbox is what pops up usually when you open a website. Now, for this one, I'm just going to choose web address for now. For example, I'm going to do YouTube and then just hit on done. As you can see, this chain right here will appear green. Once it appears green, it means that your photo has been linked to a website or a document or whatever you linked it to. Now hit on save to save it. And then after that, you may hit on preview to test it out. And then once you're done and satisfied, just hit on publish. That's it.